This week in robotics, machines aren't just moving, they're thinking, adapting, and stepping into roles once reserved for humans. Figure AI's latest demo shows a humanoid sorting packages faster than most warehouse workers without ever breaking a sweat. And in China, a wheeled humanoid named H1 is already cleaning hotel bathrooms and vacuuming guest rooms with surprising autonomy. Stick around. You're about to witness how the future of labor is being rebuilt, one intelligent machine at a time. In a breakthrough moment for industrial robotics, Figure AI has unveiled new footage of its Helix-powered Figure Zo 2 humanoid robot, autonomously sorting and flattening packages for a full hour, without overheating, stalling, or external intervention. What sets this demo apart isn't just the duration or consistency, but the precision and dexterity that rivals human labor. At the heart of this performance is Helix, a cutting-edge foundation model designed specifically for robotics. Unlike traditional systems that separate perception, planning, and control into discrete steps, Helix unifies these capabilities into one fluid decision-making loop. Trained on a mix of human demonstrations, simulation data, and real-world video, it enables Figure 2 to respond to its environment in real time, grasping, rotating, and flattening packages with remarkable speed and flexibility. In the demonstration shared by CEO Brett Adcock, Figure 2 achieves an average package handling time of 4.05 seconds, surpassing most legacy automation systems and nearing the efficiency of trained warehouse workers. It's not limited to rigid boxes either. Helix allows the robot to identify and manipulate soft polybags and irregularly shaped envelopes, tasks that have historically tripped up even advanced robots. Underpinning this feat is an optimized hardware stack, embedded GPUs and low-power processors that support continuous, high-speed inference without thermal throttling. This makes the robot ideal for long shifts in real-world industrial settings, such as logistics centers where uptime and versatility matter most. Figure's modular humanoid design also means it can work in environments already built for people. No redesign of infrastructure required. With plans to bring this robot into warehouses, manufacturing floors, and supply chains, Figure is positioning itself as a serious contender in the race to commercialize general-purpose humanoids. What makes this truly historic is the combination of autonomy, generality, and speed. Figure 2 isn't following a script. It's thinking and reacting like a human, guided by Helix's evolving intelligence. This demo doesn't just move the needle, it redefines what humanoid robots are now capable of. While Figure 2 showcases how far humanoid robotics have come in replicating human dexterity, the next leap in robotic intelligence may not be in physical design, but in the ability to think ahead. One of the most promising applications? Hospitality. And that's exactly where Xerath Robotics is making waves with its newly launched H1 humanoid robot. Designed specifically for the grueling demands of hotel operations, the H1 isn't a flashy humanoid meant to impress with acrobatics. It's a workhorse on wheels, built to clean bathrooms, vacuum carpets, take out trash, and restock supplies. Where many general-purpose robots struggle in narrow spaces or cluttered environments, the H1 thrives. Its slim profile, paired with a wheeled base, allows it to maneuver effortlessly through tight hotel corridors, guest rooms, and even bathrooms. Xerath released demo footage showing the H1 autonomously scrubbing bathroom floors, tidying rooms, and performing vacuuming with surprising speed and fluidity. Behind that performance is a suite of advanced AI and sensors, including LiDAR, depth cameras, and obstacle detection systems that let the robot understand its environment in real time and plan efficient routes. What makes the H1 especially notable is its commercial intent. Xerath isn't showcasing a lab prototype. It's scaling production with the goal of deploying over 500 units this year across Chinese hotels, educational campuses, and exhibition centers. This positions the H1 as one of the first humanoid robots purpose-built for commercial hospitality work, not warehouse logistics or research demos. And Xerath isn't stopping there. The company has confirmed it's developing modular add-ons, including robotic arms capable of more advanced tasks like bed making or item retrieval. As these capabilities mature, the H1 could take over even more of the physical workload required in maintaining guest rooms, potentially performing full room turnovers without human involvement. With global hotel staffing still recovering post-pandemic, robots like the H1 aren't just futuristic novelties, they're pragmatic, scalable labor solutions. Combined with cognitive breakthroughs like QTAMP and adaptive models like Helix, the age of specialized intelligent service robots is no longer approaching, it's here. From warehouse floors to hotel suites, the robotics revolution is no longer confined to research labs. It's rolling, walking, and thinking its way into the real world. Figure 2 shows us what's possible when dexterity meets intelligence, executing package handling tasks with the speed and nuance of a trained human. MIT and NVIDIA's QTAMP gives machines the power to think ahead in milliseconds, unlocking real-time adaptability for even the most complex environments. And Xerith's H1 proves that purpose-built humanoids are ready to take on the everyday tasks that keep industries running, from scrubbing floors to restocking shelves. Each of these breakthroughs reflects a larger trend: the fusion of physical precision, autonomous planning, and commercial practicality. As robots become faster, smarter, and more adaptable, they're no longer novelties. They're workforce-ready tools reshaping how we think about labor, logistics, and service. The question isn't whether robots will become part of daily life. It's how soon and how deeply they'll integrate into the systems we rely on. And if this week's innovations are any sign that future is arriving faster than anyone imagined, see you in the future.